Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Revolut personal login issues, verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play and not a clone version. Check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network blocks. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh your mobile network registration. Restart your phone completely to clear temporary login and security glitches. Update the Revolut app to the latest version because older builds often cause verification failures. Update your phone operating system because Revolut security checks may fail on outdated OS versions. Set your phone date and time to automatic to avoid one-time code and certificate mismatches. Disable VPN, proxy, or private DNS temporarily because they can trigger security verification errors. If you use an ad blocker or firewall app, pause it and try logging in again. Open Revolut and double-check the phone number country code is correct before requesting a code. Request a new SMS code and wait at least 60 seconds before requesting again to avoid rate limits. If SMS does not arrive, use the Call Me option if available to receive the verification code by voice. Make sure your SMS inbox is not full and that you can receive messages from short codes. On Android, ensure Revolut has SMS permission enabled so it can auto-read the verification message. On iPhone, allow Revolut notifications so you can see security prompts and approval requests. If you get too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to let the security cooldown reset. If the app asks for selfie or identity verification, do it in bright light with a clean camera lens. Remove hats, glasses, and masks and keep your face fully inside the frame during the selfie check. If document verification fails, use an unexpired passport or national ID and avoid cropped edges. Take the document photo on a dark, non-reflective background and avoid glare from lamps. Confirm your account name matches your legal document exactly, including middle names if required. If you changed your phone number recently, use the in-app change number flow rather than re-registering. Clear the Revolut app cache on Android, or reinstall the app if cache options are not available. After reinstalling, log in again and allow all requested permissions needed for verification to complete. If the issue happens only on one device, try logging in on a different phone to isolate device problems. Check Revolut system status online to confirm there is no ongoing outage affecting logins or verification. If you still see an error message, take a screenshot and contact Revolut support through the help section in the app. When contacting support, provide the exact error text, your device model, OS version, and the time the issue occurred. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.